Hello everyone. Welcome to all of you in FFB Live Chemistry class. ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स पे वन बाय वन डिटेल स्टडी तुम लोगों की करवा रही हूँ। तो इसी उसमें आज हमने कंपाउंड कंटेनिंग नाइट्रोजन, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स कंटेनिंग नाइट्रोजन, इसमें से एक इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपाउंड चूज किया है, वो है नाइट्रोबेंजीन। नाइट्रोबेंजीन और एनिलीन ये एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स हैं जिनमें कि नाइट्रोजन प्रेजेंट होता है। दोनों ही इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं। एनिलीन के बारे में ऑलमोस्ट जब हम हेलो एरीन्स पे डिस्कशन कर रहे थे तो काफ़ी रिएक्शंस और उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ हमने डिस्कस की थी। हालांकि हम अलग से भी एनिलीन पे तुम लोगों को पूरी स्टडी कराएंगे। फिलहाल आज हमने चूज़ किया है वो है नाइट्रोबेंजीन। तो आज की क्लास का टॉपिक है नाइट्रोजन, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स कंटेनिंग नाइट्रोजन, स्पेशली नाइट्रोबेंजीन। तो आज हम नाइट्रोबेंजीन पे डिटेल में डिस्कशन करेंगे, इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज, रिएक्शंस, ये सारी चीज़ें। तो दिस इज द नाइट्रोबेंजीन, मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला C6H5NO2। एक हाइड्रोजन बेंजीन से रिप्लेस्ड होकर के NO2 ग्रुप जुड़ जाता है, तब ये कंपाउंड कहलाता है नाइट्रोबेंजीन। Now aromatic nitro compounds or nitrogen containing compounds. The aromatic nitro compounds are the substitution products of aromatic hydrocarbons in which one or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by nitro group. For example, when one hydrogen replaced by one NO2 group, this is nitrobenzene. From toluene, when one NO2 group is present, then this is R nitro, ortho, this is ortho position, ortho nitro toluene. When nitro group present at para position, this is para nitro toluene. And when CH2NO2 group is attached with ring, then this is known as phenyl nitromethane. When 2NO2 group attach with benzene ring, replacing two hydrogen atom, it is a meta dinitrobenzene. तो ये नाइट्रोबेंजीन हो गया। जब एक और नाइट्रो ग्रुप हो गया मेटा ग्रुप में, तो ये मेटा dinitrobenzene. This means that NO2 group is meta directive group. When 3NO2 group is attached, replacing 3 hydrogen from benzene ring, this is 1,3,5-dinitrobenzene, and this is 2,4,6-dinitrotoluene. It is known as TNT in short. Now, aliphatic nitro compounds are also obtained by nucleophilic substitution of aliphatic halides like this. इस तरह से NO2 ग्रुप में एक जो एल्की ग्रुप होता है उसमें जुड़ा होता है, जैसे कि नाइट्रो इथेन। Now nitrobenzene, which is known as Isle of Meraban. Molecular formula C6H5NO2, or structure of nitrobenzene is like this. Benzene ring attached with NO2 group, replacing one hydrogen group from here. Now, nitrobenzene is sometimes called as artificial Isle of bitter almonds or Isle of Meraban, as its odor is like that of bitter almonds. Preparation, laboratory method of preparation in laboratory. In the laboratory, it is prepared by nitration of benzene with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid at temperature below 333 Kelvin. The temperature should not increase, otherwise meta-dinitrobenzene is formed. Now benzene plus concentrate HNO3 in presence of nitration takes place in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid at 223 to 333 Kelvin and nitrobenzene is formed. Procedure: a nitrating mixture is prepared by mixing 60 ml concentrate HNO3 and 70 ml concentrate H2SO4 ml. 50 ml of benzene is taken in round bottom flask and the nitrating mixture is added very slowly, adding a small loss at a time. Now the flask is shaken and cooled from time to time. When the whole acid mixture has been added, the flask is heated on the water bath at 223 to 333 Kelvin for an hour. The contents of the flask are then poured into a large amount of water to separate out nitrobenzene as a heavy oil. It is separated by separating funnel washed with water and dilute solution, carbonate solution. It is dried over anhydrous calcium chloride and finally distilled, and the fraction passing between 480 to 484 Kelvin is collected. So nitration of benzene depends upon temperature and nature of the nitrating agent. Reaction is that para-dinitrobenzene. Benzene reacts with concentrate HNO3 plus concentrate H2SO4 at this temperature 313 to 333. It forms nitrobenzene. But when it's treated with concentrate HNO3 plus concentrate H2SO4 at 373 Kelvin, then meta-dinitrobenzene is formed. Now, various nitrating agents used are concentrated HNO3, fuming HNO3, that is concentrate HNO3 plus nitrogen dioxide, and third nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture are like this. These are known as nitrating mixture. Concentrate HNO3 plus concentrate H2SO4 is the first nitrating mixture. Second, fuming HNO3 can be used plus concentrate H2SO4. Fuming HNO3 can be used with concentrate H2SO4. This is also a nitrating mixture. Another nitrating mixture, fuming HNO3 plus fuming H2SO4. Other concentrate HNO3 in glacial acetic acid or acetic anhydride and concentrate HNO3 in presence of boron trifluoride or nitronium tetrafluoroborate, that is NO4 plus BF4 minus. And the acetyl nitrate used to introduce only one nitro group at the ortho position. Toluene reacts with acetyl nitrate to form orthonitrotoluene plus acetic acid. And benzene reacts with fuming HNO3 plus concentrate H2SO4 at 373. It forms 1,3,5 dinitrobenzene. Three groups are attached. Now, when this treated with benzene is treated, अब दो position है. Benzene is treated with fuming HNO3 and concentrate HNO3, it forms trinitrobenzene. And when benzene is treated with concentrate HNO3 plus concentrate H2SO4 and heated at 373 Kelvin, it forms meta-dinitrobenzene. Similarly, toluene or tritiate gives ortho and para nitrotoluene like this. This is the reaction. Toluene plus HNO3, concentrate H2SO4, temperature 303 Kelvin. This gives ortho and para nitrotoluene because CH3 group is ortho and para directive and NO2 group is meta directive. Nitration of toluene is easier than that of benzene because CH3 group is an electron releasing group and makes the pi ring system electron rich. The mechanism of nitrogen remains the same as the benzene and the electrophile is nitronium ion. Now industrial preparation. Industrial preparation of nitrobenzene, that is manufacturing of nitrobenzene, is similar to the laboratory method with the difference that nitration is carried out in big cast iron retorts. Now second, from benzene diazonium salt or from aniline, nitrobenzene can be prepared by carrying out diazotization of aniline and then reacting with nitrous acid. HNO2 HNO2 चूंकि अनस्टेबल होता है तो इसके लिए हम NaNO2 प्लस HCl मिक्सचर लेते हैं जो आपस में रिएक्शन करके नाइट्रस एसिड बनाता है एट द टाइम ऑफ रिएक्शन. तो हम किस तरह से बनाते हैं? नाइट्रोबेंजीन कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाय कैरिंग आउट डाइएजोटाइजेशन ऑफ एनिलीन and then reacting with nitrous acid in presence of cupric oxide. So benzene diazonium chlorides reacts with HNO3 to produce by this mixture. In presence of Cu2O, it forms nitrobenzene, nitrogen and HCl. And diazonium salts react with HbF4 to form this compound, which on reaction with NaNO2 in presence of Cu, it forms nitrobenzene. Now from oxidation of aniline by trifluoroperoacetic acid, that is CF3CO3H or hydrogen peroxide and acetic acid, gives nascent oxygen which reacts with aniline to form nitrobenzene. Now chemical properties of nitrobenzene. The nitro group is very firmly linked to the benzene nucleus and shows partial double bond character due to resonance, which make it inert, and hence nitrobenzene does not undergo any displacement रिएक्शन. तो इस तरह से ये रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर बनता है नाइट्रोबेंजीन इस तरह से. यहाँ इसके साथ ही कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बना रहा है तीनों ही स्ट्रक्चर में. और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर यहाँ पे, यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड है, यहाँ ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर इधर अट्रैक्ट हो गया तो ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाता है. तो इस तरह से ये पूरा रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर है नाइट्रोबेंजीन का. The nitro groups deactivate the benzene nucleus and the electrophilic substitution, that is nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, but not Friedel-Crafts reaction occurs only under rigorous condition. The NO2 group is beta-directive. Now the reactions of nitrobenzene, it reacts with concentrate HNO3 and H2SO4 at 373 Kelvin to form meta-dinitrobenzene. And it reacts with bromine and FeBr3, any ferrous tribromide, and heat. It forms meta-bromonitrobenzene. And it reacts with fuming H2SO4 to form meta-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid like this. Now reaction with KOH. On heating with solid KOH, nitrobenzene yields a mixture of ortho and para nitrophenols along with some azoxybenzene. It is an example of nucleophilic substitution where the presence of one nitro group is sufficient to activate the benzene nucleus for nucleophilic substitution at ortho and para. Now NO2 when reacts with KOH and heat, it forms orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Now reduction. Nitrobenzene may be reduced to a variety of compounds depending on the nature of reducing agent and pH. The reduction of nitrobenzene probably proceeds through the following route. Nitrobenzene इन रिडक्शन होता है इसका, तो पहले ये नाइट्रोसोबेंजीन में कन्वर्ट होता है, फिर फेनिल हाइड्रोक्साइन NaOH आ जाता है, फिर रिडक्शन होता है तो ये फाइनली एनिलीन में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. Now reduction in acidic medium. Reduction of nitrobenzene in presence of tin and hydrochloric acid, that is Sn plus HCl, or iron and hydrochloric acid, Fe plus HCl, yield only the final product aniline and intermediate products nitrosobenzene and phenyl hydroxyl amine do not appear at all. Like this. Nitrobenzene, when reduced by SnHCl, it forms aniline. Nitrobenzene can also be reduced to aniline in presence of Li, lithium aluminum hydrides, or hydrogen platinum, or ranine nickel, etc. Now reduction in neutral medium. With iron and steam, nitrobenzene is reduced to nitrosobenzene. Iron and steam, it reduced to in nitrosobenzene. Zinc and ammonium chloride, or zinc and calcium chloride, or aluminum mercury couple reduce nitrobenzene to phenyl hydroxylamine. In presence of this or this, it reduced to intermediate like this, and further reduction takes place. It becomes this compound phenyl hydroxylamine, यहाँ पे NaOH आ जाता है. Now nitrosobenzene cannot be isolated. Reduction in alkaline medium. When nitrobenzene is reduced in alkaline medium, mononuclear intermediate products form interact to produce dinuclear products. That is nitrobenzene reduction takes place, forms nitrosobenzene, and then it converted into this C6H5NaOH. अभी इससे पहले भी देखा इसका कंपाउंड का स्ट्रक्चर. Now nitrosobenzene C6H5NO reacts with phenyl hydroxylamine, this product, and forms azoxybenzene. C6H5 N डबल बॉन्ड N, ये दोनों इस तरह जुड़ा है और इसके साथ this is azoxybenzene. Azoxybenzene undergoes further reduction forming azobenzene and hydrazobenzene. Reaction is this, reduction होगा इसका, तो पहले एजोबेंजीन बनता है, फिर आगे रिडक्शन होने पे hydrazobenzene. By selecting a suitable alkaline reducing agent, any of the three reduction products, first, second, and third, can be isolated. For example, azoxybenzene is formed in presence of alkaline sodium arsenide, that is Na3ASO3 plus NaOH. And azobenzene is obtained by using sodium amalgam, zinc dust, and caustic soda in methanol or with alkaline sodium anilide. कट जा रहा है. Sodium stenite. Now hydrazobenzene is obtained when reduction is carried out with zinc dust and aqueous sodium hydroxide. Nitrobenzene reducted by zinc dust and NaOH in presence of methyl alcohol, it forms azobenzene. Now नाइट्रोबेंजीन, इस रिएक्शन को हम इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं, जिंक की प्रेजेंस में NaOH के साथ कराएंगे रिएक्शन, तो हाइड्राजोबेंजीन थर्ड बनता है, यहाँ एजोबेंजीन सेकंड बनता है. बोथ आर रिएक्शन आर इम्पोर्टेंट. Further, the conversion of hydrazobenzene to azoxybenzene and vice versa can be done through azobenzene as follows. Hydrazobenzene reacts with NaIO3 to form C6H5N double bond and C6H5. This is azobenzene. Second, in presence of ZnNOH, it converted into hydrazobenzene. Third, and this is converted into azoxybenzene in presence of acetic acid, and it is reconverted in azobenzene. बैकवर्ड रिएक्शन इस तरह से बढ़ जाएगा आगे, Fe की प्रेजेंस में ये वापस एजोबेंजीन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, और फिर अगर इसे ट्रीट करते हैं ZnNaOH से तो फिर वापस हाइड्राजोबेंजीन. तो ये हो गया तुम्हारा फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन और ये हो गया बैकवर्ड रिएक्शन. All the compound first, second, and third on reduction with SnHCl gives aniline. Aromatic nitro compounds on reduction with LiAlH4 gives azo compounds and not primary amines. Now nitrobenzene reducted by lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether to form azobenzene. This is the azobenzene C6H5 N double bond N C6H5 plus 4H. Now electrolytic reduction. ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाता है, ज़्यादा छोटा हो जाता है. In electrolytic reduction, it is believed that reaction proceeds through the same stage as discussed above, but the nature of the final product depends upon the pH of the reaction medium. In weakly acidic solution, dilute sulfuric acid, यानी weakly acidic solution जब होगा, nitrobenzene is reduced to aniline, yield is 90%. In strongly acidic solution, when concentrated sulfuric acid used, phenyl hydroxylamine is first formed, which undergoes isomeric change forming para-aminophenol. Like the reaction is like this. Nitrobenzene reacts with concentrated HNO3 to form phenyl hydroxylamine, and when heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, it isomerizes to form para-aminophenol. In alkaline medium, hydrazobenzene is first formed, which undergoes isomeric chain forming benzidine. This is hydrabenzene. स्ट्रक्चर जो अभी यहाँ C6H5 लिखा था, अब इसको स्ट्रक्चर में दिखाया. आइसोमेरिक चेंज होता है तो ये इस तरह का कंपाउंड बनता है जो कि कहलाता है बेंजीडाइन. Now uses of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is used in manufacture of aniline and azodize as a solvent in the preparation of shoe polish and stitching cheap soaps as an oxidizing agent. Now dinitro compounds. Of the three isomeric nitrobenzenes, ortho, meta and para, the meta derivative is by far the most important. Now meta dinitrobenzene. It is prepared by vigorous nitration of nitrobenzene with mixture of equal amount of concentrated nitric or fumic nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. The reaction is that nitrobenzene, when reacts with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4 at this temperature, it forms meta dinitrobenzene. The yield is 80%. About 7% of ortho isomer is also obtained, which is removed during crystallization. It is a pale yellow solid, melting point 363 Kelvin. The melting point 363 Kelvin, insoluble in water but readily soluble in alcohol and ether. It is volatile in steam, When reduced sodium sulfide or ammonium hydrogen sulfide or ammonium sulfide, it reduced stepwise. Metadinitrobenzene, when reacts with Na2S or ammonium sulfide, it forms metanitroaniline like this. And इसका जो पहला वाला NO2 ग्रुप है ये रिप्लेस हो रहा है या NH2 से. When reacts with sodium sulfide, it forms metaphenyl diamine. This is meta nitroaniline and then to metaphenyl diamine. Now trinitro compounds. 1,3,5 trinitrobenzene. This is in short known as TNB. And 2,4,6 trinitrotoluene, which is known as TN3, are the important trinitro compounds which are used as military explosives. TNT, that is 2,4,6 trinitrotoluene, forms yellow crystal melting point 354 Kelvin. Due to low melting point, it is filled in bombs and shells in molten state. It is reasonable safe explosive and it requires strong detonation to set it off. Its mixture with ammonium nitrate is extensively employed as blasting explosive and is known as ematol. Ematol is another outdoor blasting explosive. It contains 47% aluminum nitrate, 22% aluminum, 30% TNT and 1% charcoal. This is the composition of emal ematol. When denoted, it explodes violently and decomposes into products which are all gases. Trinitrotoluene decomposes to give carbon dioxide, methane, hydrogen, and nitrogen. Now, TNB, dinitrobenzene, is a colorless crystalline solid melting point 395 Kelvin. It is a more powerful explosive than even TNT, but is not commonly employed for this purpose on the account of high cost of production. So this is about the nitro compound, aromatic nitro compound. तो नाइट्रोबेंजीन उसके अलावा डाइनाइट्रोबेंजीन और ट्राइनाइट्रोबेंजीन एंड ट्राइनाइट्रोटालुइन, ये सारी चीज़ों के बारे में आज के क्लास में डिस्कस हुआ. तो नाइट्रो कंपाउंड में एनिलीन के बारे में हम हेलो एल्कीन्स चैप्टर में डिस्कस कर चुके थे, इसलिए स्पेशली नाइट्रोबेंजीन के बारे में भी जानना ज़रूरी था. तो आज हमने इसे भी पूरा तुम लोगों को बताया. उम्मीद है ये सारी चीज़ें समझ में आई होंगी.